Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing a toy origami model. It's actually a stress buster. You keep it at your desk. Generally you have some stress buster toys and this is one among them. So let's begin. For this toy stress buster toy model, we'll need a square piece of paper. We'll need 3 such square pieces of paper of different colors, so you can pick whichever color you want. I have these colors, so I am using those. So first we need to fold it along the diagonal axis, both the diagonal axis we need to fold it. So let's fold it. This crease is already present, so it's easy to fold. Here let's fold it properly. This is how it looks. Now you need to fold it till the crease. Basically, if it's not visible like this, you can do it like this as well. Yeah, like this till the center. Similarly, we do it on this side. This is how it looks. Now you fold it backwards. Now this flap, fold it till the center like this. Press it tightly and properly. Similarly, we do it on this side. Really sorry about the background noise. There are kids playing in my area, so there's a lot of background noise here. Alright, now you need to fold this flap like this. This is how it looks. Now you have this edge and this line, so you need to fold it along this and make a triangle. Now open this again, open this flap, fold it inwards, close the flap, rotate. We repeat the same steps here. So first fold it like this, then again same, you form a triangle, and now open this flap, put the triangle inside, close the flap, press it properly. This is how it forms. Now you need to form an X crease in center, so hold this entire thing and fold it like this. From here, like this. There will be this open end, but that's fine. Fold it like this on both the sides. Similarly, you do it from this side. Again an open end. So this is how it looks. There is an X formed in the center, and now you need to make such 2 more pieces, so that in all you get 3. So as I said, we'll need 3 sheets of paper. So I have 3 made already like this. Now we need to join these 3 to form the final toy. So guys, let's begin joining portion. So let's keep one aside. Let's pick these 2. So first you need to put, you have an opening here, right? Yeah, so you need to put, you hold your left one like this, right one you hold it like this, and then you put it inside in this way at this point. Now turn your page, fold it like this here, and then along this crease you need to fold this, because we had an X formed, right? So this way, and then you have this flap which will go inside here like this. So this forms in this shape. Press it properly, like pull it from all edges. Cleanly and properly. This is how it looks. Now we pick the third one, and first we put this edge in this one like this. Put it properly. This is how it looks, and then now we need to fold it here like this. This will go inside this. This is how it looks. Need to fold it from here. This was the X on this side. Be very careful while folding these. This will go inside this. And this will go inside this. Finally, and then you need to press it this. This way. Properly tighten all the edges like this, and this is the stress buster toy. It's thick enough so it won't come out, because we haven't used any glue, but we don't need to use any glue, and this is how it works. You press it, it opens up, it bulges basically. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this stress buster toy. It's really easy to make. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very easy stress buster toy, so go ahead, make one. You keep it at your desk and you'll forget, and you'll start playing with it. So grab a paper and get ready, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned, because I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Take care, guys.